It is therefore absolutely not necessary to lynch any public officer in the court of public opinion or in any other place. If we have issues with anybody in whatever office, we just need to follow the law, we just need to stick to the Constitution, and we can sort out whatever issues that we have.
Service Commission. The tribunal was appointed through Gazette Notice number 5540, petition by the Judicial Service Commission for removal of Honorable Mr. Justice Said Juma Chitembwe, Judge of the High Court of Kenya, Macau, Mr. James Ochieng Oduor, Lieutenant General Retired Jackson Ndungu, and Dr. Lidl was also appointed as lead counsel, and Mr. Edward Nyang'au Omoti and Mr. Joseph Kitonga Riungu as assistant counsel. Their own expeditiously and exercise all the powers conferred upon it by law for the proper. Your Excellency, to invite the chairperson of the tribunal, the Honorable Lady Justice Mumbi, to highlight the findings of the tribunal.
Judge to disclose the same to the Honorable Chief Justice, colleague judges on the bench, and parties in the consolidated petitions, and to recuse himself from sitting in Malindi Succession Clause number 97 of 2015, and his undertaking to compromise Court of Appeal judges amounted to lack of accountability.
The more responsibility we have, the more power we exercise. It comes with huge responsibility and equally major accountability. There are inbuilt mechanisms in the Constitution to take care of any situation. If we properly interpret the Constitution, we can be able to take care of any excesses by whatever office holder. And therefore, for us to be a country built on the firm foundation of the rule of law, we must always keep to that narrow path of the rule of law and avoid extra-constitutional, extra-legal means of dealing with one another. It points clearly and squarely that if any arm of government, including the hallowed judiciary, go beyond the law, go beyond the Constitution, there is a mechanism for necessary corrective measures that can be done. It is therefore absolutely not necessary to lynch any public officer in the court of public opinion or in any other place. If we have issues with anybody in whatever office, we just need to follow the law, we just need to stick to the Constitution, and we can sort out whatever issues that we have with whatever public officer that we believe is not acting in accordance with the mandate or the Constitution or the law, for that matter. So again, this is yet another step as a country that we are building on the firm foundation of the rule of law, sticking to the dictates of what our Constitution and the law provides in dealing with whatever issues that arise in our society. And again, let me congratulate the tribunal for discharging this heavy responsibility in a timely manner. And your presentation of this report, I think, brings to the end your responsibility. And myself and others will take it up from there and also discharge our responsibility accordingly. So again, congratulations to all of you. Thank you very much for the service you have provided to the country, discharging your constitutional and legal mandate over this matter. I will subsequently do my part as instructed by you. This is a matter that I do not have any other recourse. And I don't believe that if a matter like this comes to my office and I have no choice but to do what the law says, that does not make me any less. I think it's just the way things are supposed to be. I think there is an argument always as to whether the president can be presented with a fait accompli. And I think there are occasions that that's the case. And I think this is one of them. I will not try to do anything other than what the Constitution expects of me. And I think that's how we should look at things as a country and as a society. So again, to all of you, asanteni sana, nawatakia heri in your other assignments, and I hope to work with you going into the future on other matters. Asanteni sana.
Involvement in corrupt practices and impropriety on allegation 4 and 5. The tribunal finds that the actions of the judge in advising parties on the withdrawal of Malindi Civil Appeal number 32 of 2018, colleague judges and the parties to the consolidated petitions amounted to breach of the totality of the evidence standard, the Constitution and applicable law. The tribunal makes the following findings. On allegation 1 and 6 in their list of allegations.
Lady Justice Mumbi Ngugi, karibu.